What should you expect at a pretrial conference? Hi, my name is Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Wirth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for almost 8 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by talking a little bit about what a pretrial conference is and what that looks like for you. So different counties handle this a little bit differently. So I'm going to try to just give a broad stroke definition or explanation that will apply regardless of which county you're in. And this is mainly going to apply for your family cases, divorce, custody establishment, custody modification, adoption, things like that. A pretrial conference is essentially the last hearing that you're going to have before you go to trial. A lot of courts will require that your witnesses and exhibits be exchanged at this date. Some courts are going to just require that your list of witnesses and the list of exhibits that you're going to present get exchanged at this date. Other courts require that you actually have like your full trial binder ready to go to hand to the other side at pretrial. It just kind of depends on the judge and depends on how that county handles things. I've seen orders where it's just you absolutely have to have those things exchanged at pretrial. I've also seen cases where at pretrial the judge will order, okay, well 10 days before trial you need to exchange this type of information. The reason being is because this is, like I said, this is the last hearing that you're going to have before trial. You got to be there. Your lawyer's got to be there. They've got to be there. Their lawyer's got to be there. If anybody doesn't show up, they could lose the case right then and there and have default judgment entered against them, because this is the day you're scheduling the trial date, more than likely. Like, the judge absolutely needs everyone there ready to go to let the court know that they're ready to just go to blows back and forth at trial. And if someone doesn't show up, then the court's just going to deem it as if they're not that interested and rule against them at that point. So make sure that you talk with your attorney about what exactly is expected of you guys at your pretrial conference date. Make sure that you guys have already sat down, you have a game plan put together, you know what's going to happen, so there's no surprises between now and your trial date. This is the time where you have to make sure that you and your lawyer are 1000% on the same page. So just give them a call. Hey, we got pretrial conference coming up. Let's schedule a meeting. Let's sit down. Let's go over what evidence we're going to use. Let's go over what witnesses we're going to use. Let's see what we can do to make sure that we have our case as solidly put together as possible, so that way we're ready to go at trial, or pre-trial at any rate. If you do that, it's going to go a long way towards helping your lawyer make sure that you're ready to go when trial day comes. If you have any questions about this, or if you've got pretrial coming up and you're needing an attorney or you're needing some help, give us a call. My name is Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Wirth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.